Hi everyone, this is Pete, the Happy Carpizzo Chef. Today I'm here to show you how we do a quick air-fried preparation for chicken cutlets. Again, we're keeping our saturated fat very low. Okay, so I've already cut our chicken cutlets over here into thin strips, and I'm going to pound them into a little larger piece. So you can watch as I pound them. So we're pounding them out so that we get about equidistant, nice little cutlets here. And here's another one. This helps to tenderize a little. And then I'm going to pound this little piece here. So now we have one for each of us, because we're only two people, and one to share. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to bread them and place them on our sheet pan for the air fryer for after. Okay, so we're going to bring it over here, and we are going to start by going into our egg. Very simple. I do not put flour. I do not add to this at all. I go straight from the egg into the breadcrumbs. Straight into the breadcrumbs I go, and I get a nice layer on top. So there we have one. And then we're going to go in for the second one. Nice egg on there, beautiful egg, into our breadcrumbs. We flip. Into our breadcrumbs we flip. And by the way, these are Italian breadcrumbs, keeping with our Italian home, Italian Greek home. And we have our fine little piece, thusly. Remember, we are not frying these on the stove. We're going to put them in our air fryer, which you can put in any sort of air fryer. Okay, and now we have our three breaded pieces of chicken, and because we're going to put them in the air fryer and we'd like to get them a little bit brown already, is what we want to do is give them a spray with olive oil, an olive oil spray. Just spray them, spray them, spray them.
What does that do?
Spray them. This will help to moisten the breadcrumbs and brown it as if you were frying it, but we're not frying it. Okay? And there we have, we're ready to go after, when we're ready later, into the air fryer over here that we have. Thank you very much. We'll show you later as the cooked product comes out. Thank you. We'll see you after. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it. And don't forget to like our videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you again.
Carpizzo's Kitchen with Pete. Yay!